Ramesh buys Raj a PlayStation 5 and Shenseea shell down Miami.
Haters vex, can me bless, boss me no stress. Boy, me nah no man problem. Me them a pre, them a wanna be. Girl a fear worry about me no worry about them. Say no way on me
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So the song that was playing in the front of the video is called No Limit and it's Shenseea featuring Mayan. So if you haven't checked it out already, please go ahead and check it out, right? But people, the weekend did well busy as far as the female artists, them having shows and performances. You know, 3 of them had shows in Texas, the same show, Spy Chanel Muir and Jada Kingdom, and Shenseea had our own show in Miami. So I have some footage to show you from the Shenseea show. People, may I tell you, a thing that sell off. You see me? But before we get into that, I'm going to show you a video with Raj. Ramesh buy my PS5 and this is his reaction. So take a look at this video. Here goes.
What?
Turn on.
Yeah! I always wanted this.
Well, you a mommy?
Yeah, I can say that, Mom. I always wanted this.
It's mine.
PS5. Thank you. You're the best. Wow. Oh, my.
Yeah, so I say Raj well happy for the PS5, you know what I mean? And my big up Ramesh. Now, I know what I'm going to say because I know what I want to hear, but I'm going to leave that to Uno. You see me, I post it by Instagram, and that's how I see in the comment section. So I'm not going to say nothing. One year, so we don't put in that comment section. But people, we are going to move on to the show part. So like me, I tell you, Shenseea shell down Miami. You see me? The show was hot. People turned out, the Shenyang them did it. And towards the end of the video, you know what I mean, a little thing go on with Shenseea and our fans. But people, me I go play the video for you in a second. Me gonna see what go on. And then me I go read the caption where Shenseea say about what happened at the end of the video. So without any further ado, here's Shenseea show in Miami. Here goes.
Come. So all you up your feet on my back and my mouth can't give me a money. Me not wrong. I know some you love my money don't think. Members don't like when man touch me and them not doing nothing. And the same goes to a woman don't think. Girls say no.
Yeah, people, so let's see what go on. Done. So me I go tell you what Shenseea say in her caption. This is what she said when she posted that video on her page. She said, every show I perform, my Shenyangs always grabbing my butt. It I go stop. Me I charge you know from now on. What's wrong with y'all? With some laughing emoji. So people, I don't know what to think about that, but more ask you what to think about that. You see what I say? Put it down in the comment section and make me know what I want to feel about what I just see and what Shenseea just say. All right? So that was a clip of Jada Kingdom and Shenseea Muir meeting each other in Texas. Now people, me no want to go say this and then it turn out saying a sub, but if I am not mistaken, this is the first time them a meet in person. And if you don't know for your facts, you know, so go and put it down in the comment section and tell me. But me I'm telling you why me say that still. From listening in the video, you hear Shenseea Muir say something about in a real life, right? And also me know say them dep on live one time, some time ago, and them I said them a plan for meet up. So from that, I understand so them never really meet each other in a real life. But we know that video they go already because we make a video about that yesterday. If you not see it, it's the one before this, so you can find out what going on in Houston with Shenseea Muir, Spice, and Jada. You see me, I said the vibes are right. But people may have a next video for showing with Jada. I come like me, I post Jada every day, but people, as she active on the gram, as she a go live, as she a tell with the things them, as she a show what she a deal with, right? So I have another video with her to talk about how hard it is to be an artist, a female dancehall artist, and she wanted to be a lawyer. Who didn't know that Jada wanted to be a lawyer? But me go play the video so you can hear what she has. Here goes.
I'm grateful, but every day I get up, I think about the life where I choose, rather. And it's like, I just want to ball. Like, I just want to ball. Yo, bomber clad. No star. But I don't know how I get fan being a liar to this. But I just want to love ya, man. I just blood clot, like funny, you know? Like funny you fuck, brother. I just never imagine this at all. But never imagine this. When I say me want to do music. Oh my God, I want to cry. When I say me want to do music, I never imagine this. I never imagine go on a stage and everybody in the crowd a screw. Like you're in a war. I have a proof for hello. He said, if you don't make blood clot. If you don't make one person at a blood clot crowd, they raise their hand and start smile and jerk up their body, man. Be a stone again. Be a big fucking blood clot. You think they road joke? I be a buckle, da? I don't know what kind of life this would choose. No, sir. Fear fuckery. But I want it, man, so I go fit. I want it. Of course, my perform good last night. I do what I could have done. I'm not telling no. First of all, I'm not bust up my stitches for please nobody. I'm not forgot stole me and buckle me. I'm sorry. I don't know my business. I fling them right back at them. Right back at them. Right back at them.
Yes, so I want to hear what Jada said, right? So now tell me what you think about what she said down in the comment section. Also, want to tell me what you think about the Shenseea show and also Raj, you know what I mean, the Raj story, him getting his PS5. So people, you know that's it. Big up on yourself. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Stay safe. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.